2017 Ferrari GTC4Lusso is at least 1 second faster around Ferrari's on a test track than the wagonoid FF that it replaces is meaningless. Partly, this is because it's essentially an update on the same car. But it's also because, according to Stefano Varisco, the man responsible for the Lusso's vehicle dynamics, improving lap times wasn't a target for the Lusso development team. More to the point, the all-wheel drive Lusso is clearly a GT car, a machine made for triple-digit sweepers and deserted highways more than for Alpine switchbacks. Hot laps. They're in the Lusso's purview but certainly not in its crosshairs. So it matters little when we find ourselves in a parade of tour buses, cyclists, and even sport bikes operating with a churlish disregard for velocity while climbing switchback roads in the Italian Alps. That a Ferrari should be so disrespected on its own turf is astonishing. That this indifference is demonstrated mostly by Germans on holiday is not. Possibly the drive route was chosen by Ferrari in a veiled attempt to highlight the Lusso's greatest virtue, utter civility. Ferraris, after all, are universally wedded to the expectation of noise, soul-scorching symphonic theater. A 680 horsepower V12 powered Ferrari lacking such theater is as contradictory as a black fire truck. Should the Lusso's double-pane windows, quieter exhaust, and extra sound deadening still wave the prancing horse flag? Can an old man's Ferrari still be a Ferrari? More philosophically, should it be? The collective heart of the tifosi just skipped a beat.
Summer